Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to go ahead and putter around with, or just kind of dial up a little bit, I guess, take care of preserve one of the 57 Furies. So this is the 57 Fury 2, and it's going to go into storage for this winter, but we just need to attack some of these spots on it. So the main part I'm concerned about is the roof. I don't want nothing to happen to the roof. So you can see that the old paint is kind of chipping off really bad, starting to get some rust on here. We want to go ahead and get this all sanded down, and I found a spray paint actually that looks really, really good. And it's about the same color as the original Fury, like the sand dune white, or so we're going to go ahead and get this all sanded down and primered. I don't know if we'll get it all done today. We'll try. I mean, it's late in the day already, but we started sanding it a little bit already, the SCT contour tool. So we're going to go and continue doing that. And you see the front fenders have quite a bit of rust on them already. And why are we not doing the front fenders? Because they're garbage. And we have front fenders for it. They're like mint condition California fenders, which is really, really nice shape. So, and then I got better hoods in this one. I'll probably still sand this hood and spray this because I don't want nothing to happen to the hood. They filled all the holes in for the letters on the 57. So I have better hoods, 57 hoods, but I'll probably still sand this so the hood still stays preserved and gets, you know, a coat of paint on that just to call it good. And again, this fender here is junk too, so I'm not worried about the front fenders at all. We're just more concerned about the roof and the rest of the body right now. This side over here still looks pretty good, but we can still kind of touch things up for now, just to kind of get it preserved until we can get it in the shop for the permanent fixes that it needs. So we're going to go ahead and get you set up and do a little bit of sanding on the roof, and we're going to create a mess of dust as we started doing already, but it's going to be a whole lot worse than that. But we got to get this paint off here, and the contour tool makes a pretty quick job of it. So we're going to get you set up on the tripod and roll with it. All right, we're rolling. Time to make some noise. Get this crap off here. We have the gray primer on here. You can't really tell it right now because we're underneath a red canopy because the sun's out here, it's hot out here, it sucks, it's miserable, blah, 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 all that other crap I ain't got time to deal with. Okay, so bottom line is we're gonna finish getting this sanded so we can get some paint on this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this sanded down with 320. We already started the other side a little bit. Of course, things come up, you know, to take you away. It's called life. But we're gonna get this wiped down and get this sanded with 320 and get some paint on here today because I only have a couple hours today. Then I gotta go to work again. Yeah, fun. Doesn't really matter, it's temporary anyways. You know, until the whole car can get properly painted. But we did this to protect the roof. So I'm gonna go to town with some 320. I don't really think that this is important that you guys sit here and watch, but all it is go for a little bit. And then after that, I'll probably just turn the camera off and save the battery and all that good stuff. Sanded down with 320 and it feels really good. So we're gonna go ahead and tape it off, then we'll do a tack cloth wipe and spray it from there. We'll bring it back when we do that. So okay, so we got it all taped off. And it feels pretty good. There's a couple areas I think that's gonna be questionable, but like I said, this is not the final sand and not the final restoration for this roof. This is just kind of the protective coating. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the paint. I'll show you what we're gonna use. We got a little dent right here. There's a little dent right there, which is gonna show up like a sore thumb when you get the gloss on there. But it's just gonna be temporary. All right, so let's get the paint. I'll show you what we're gonna use. This is what we're gonna use. It's a 2X paint and primer, premium high gloss. And I use this on a sample piece and it looks incredible. And it's pretty darn close to the original Plymouth color, which I'm assuming they painted it the original color back in the day, but if you look here, pretty darn close. And it's called white sand. So we're gonna give it a whirl. Oh, it works good. Okay, let's do this like dusting. Foot dust coat. And dust, you want to try not to stripe it. So you're gonna kind of let it mix. Okay guys, so you can see the finish turned out pretty decent. Pretty decent for a spray bomb. You see it's the high gloss and it turned out pretty good. I mean, definitely not a gun job, but you know, it's definitely good enough for what we're doing here. Trying to put the protective coating on the car and you can see the finish. I mean, I'm really impressed with this 2-time stuff. This Rust-Oleum 2-time. This is really good paint. And the gloss is so much better than the regular gloss. I'm impressed. Alright, we'll take you around and show you. This is what it looks like in the same light as the rest of the car. Pretty nice. Pretty nice overall. Pretty nice shiny shine. Look at this roof. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that glisten of the sun in there. But yeah, I mean, not bad for a rattle can at all. At all. I mean, just really pretty happy with it. It's a lot better than the peeling that it was doing with all the rust popping through and the bare metal showing through. So it definitely was big time trouble for the roof coming through, but whew, looks a lot different now. It looks a lot different now. So this is, I don't know, man, this is really, that turned out really nice. I mean, for a rattle can, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Good job, Rust-Oleum. Good job. Good job with that paint, high gloss. So yeah. All right. So there's our first patch repair, I guess, temporarily on the 57 Fury. So we'll try to get the new fenders on it, and we'll get her done. Little by little, we'll get her done. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching Project Roof Repair on 57 Fury number 2. So we got the roof protected now, good to go. I think it's going to be good. Thanks once again, guys, for tuning in. We appreciate you. We appreciate you taking the time to view the channel, and make sure to stay tuned for what's coming next. We don't know what that's going to be yet, but hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you guys next time on Street Freaks Garage. Take care of yourself, take care of your families. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Peace.